How to get my hair like this? I'll tell you soon. I went from a wash day hair twist to this. So give me a few seconds. I'll be back with you. And we get to talk about what I was using for this. Hey, it's me. I'm JC. I am just now out of wash day, and I'm about to do something different. I haven't done this in a long time. I'm debating which I'm going to do, but first we got to add moisture back into my hair. Wash day is done, and I'm using TGIN. Hold up. TGIN. Let me get back. Just saying. TGIN. So it is, they got this natural line, and this is the Let It Grow. Yes, what I'm using today will be kind of my LOC. Now LOC, for those out there that don't know this, is called a LOC Method. Now it includes a liquid, an oil, and a conditioner. Leave-in conditioners preferably. Now it can be a conditioning, like kind of conditioning cream. You can use butters, anything like that. This is the first most I want you to understand. So, real quickly, turn back up so you can see the shirt. It's the shirt. Now, what you understand is, first and foremost, I am on my own. I'm going to be ambassadoring. TGIN has chosen me to be ambassador for NoShaveNovember, also to try products. 3 of these products are, and this is going to be first. This is the L. This is a liquid. This is the Curl Water Curl Freshener, and it has with rose water and green tea. Both of those are very key ingredients, and this is just the L. I'm gonna be trying this all different. I'm still thinking about what I'm gonna do. And then I have the TGIN Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. This is considered O. O stands for oil. So this is a serum. For some people, they like to wash that out. For me, my hair thrives on oil. So I love to keep using this, especially because for me, my hair needs oil kind of just to survive. You don't have to use oil all the time. If you're one of the people that doesn't need that much, I will just have a little dime size. For me, that's how much I use, like a dime size up to like a little bit more. But I use it for all over my hair. And last but not least, I'm using today is the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner with green tea and argan oil. This is a lightweight. It says it's a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner for all hair types. Now, I want you to understand first and foremost, with any natural product, that you have to also look at that bottom part. With it saying no sulfates, parabens, lubricant, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. That means it is cruelty-free. Now, that being said, this is considered my C. LOC. All 3 of them makes this. Now this is my hair when you're dripping. But I want to make sure I have my shirt on all the time in this video because this is very important for y'all to understand. And before I even start anything else, I want you to do the first and know all month long, if you do, please try your best to do hashtag NoShaveNovember. This is for all the guys out there. If you're watching this just for the hair, I got you, understand. But get your guy friends and get anyone out there to please don't shave all month long, because this is hashtag NoShaveNovember. It's very important because it really does. It helps all prostate cancer, and that's very big. That's one of the biggest leading factors of cancers for men. Ready? Alright, first things first, we gotta unravel. Now before we start anything else, what I'm gonna do is this. I'll take this off, take the top off, and I'm gonna spray. Now I'm gonna spray these 2 sides, and then I'm gonna spray these 2 sides. I'm just gonna like talk about it first. Now, trying this product started for 1 week. I did something very different for wash day, which I'm gonna talk about that near the end of the month. Yeah, because you love doing this. Rose water is great for your skin as well. And last, Now, we're just literally doing this. Now, this is how I wash my hair from time to time. Now, right now, I'm just gonna unravel each one of them. Like that. And as so. Like that. And as so. Boom. And lastly. Now I made pretty much, this is like 2 sides, it's like 4. Now this is just my hair being wet and adding just the first product. Now since I just sprayed all that, I'm going to spray now a little bit more right here to get more sides. And I'm done with the spraying. And then I add my O. Now some people actually add their O or their oil last, and this is the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. Alright, and we're just gonna pour like this. Now for the color, what I love about this mostly, just close the top, just talk about this, is that right there. I'll talk about that in a second. Hold on. So first things first, I'm going to be putting this all over my head. So I'm going to part still. And for those that want to know, like, okay, this is your hair after wash day, as wash day. So if you want to know this is a lot of shrinkage. Yeah. What we're gonna go ahead and start sprucing up with the oil. My hair being with oil and with the rose water and the curl replenishing serum already makes me feel confident to go ahead and just play with my hair. Last but not least, iced tea. The green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. You ready? All right. Go ahead this. There you go. Shake, shake, shake for a second. And I'm using this much. Yeah, I'm a little bit, I am a little heavy-handed. Not that much. This is a lot, but at the same time, I do have a lot of hair. And I'm going to just do this one type of scoop. Ready? And this is the palm method for all of that out there. Ready? Listen to this hair. So I like to get it all in a bun, as so. And then I let the back out. I go like that, and I piece it together. And then I just shake it. Like that. Sometimes you really gotta shake it. And this is what the product installed. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is this. First things first, get a scrunchie. Now, for those that know me, I have this. But lately, I've been using this right here as well. And I'm gonna be first. Let's see what this is about. So we're gonna detangle a little bit. Alright, first things first, we're gonna take the top down. And actually, this is funny to say this. If you wanna just do a curly hair move, if you're in a curly mode, this is what I'm gonna tell you. This is a look. I'm gonna give you a look. Now, this is just my hair being curly. So, if you just do an LOC and you just want to just rock your normal curls, this is how I do it. I like to hold up. I'm a curl. Looking at the side, I'm sorry. I got myself a little bit crazy. Alright, this is just look one. I'm going to give you about 5. I'm going to give you about a few looks. Because what I'm going to tell you is this. Sometimes wash day, your curls will shrink. And shrinkage is beautiful. There's nothing wrong with shrinkage. Actually, shrinkage means your hair is really healthy. So, what we're going to do next is this. I'm going to show you right now. This is going to be just a just keep going video. This is just look one. From look one of my curls being all fluffy and everything like that. How do I get my curls from this fluff to a bigger fluff? It's really simple. First, gather your hair from one side and then you gather your hair from the other side. Naturally, we're gonna make a bun. And yes, I make curly buns all the time. And this is a quickie. As you see, my hair is all groping right here at the top now. Now get that bottom. You have to find your own center. If your hair is shorter than mine, your hair will probably be right here. If your hair is longer than mine, and you can grow up, like, if most of this is longer, your hair will probably make up more of a bun, like more of a ponytail. And what I do next is this. And what I'm doing right now is now I'm gonna just band it twice. And look too. See how easy this is? Hair's out of your way, and this is somehow how I go to work. Or, because this is just like me just telling you how I'm gonna do it. This is how my curls actually expand. And this helps my curls kind of show a little more body, because my hair now is all right there. And what I do next is this. I wait like an hour, 2 hours. About 2 hours, my hair will be a little bit more less damp. It takes about a few hours for some people, and it takes a longer time for others. And as you see, your curls, if you wait 2 whole hours, not like me, we just continue this video, your hairs will probably expand. And depending on what you use, this right here is a great one. I got this for like my store, and this is just like $2. So the difference between this and this is what I'm gonna do next with this. Look 2, as you saw, was my bun, and look 3 is easy. Ready? We're gonna just go like this, roll inside, and go like this for the other. And naturally just pull the back out, and you're just gonna do like this. Your hair is now fully moisturized, and so you're just gonna keep going like that, and we're gonna add this like that. You'll put this up twice, and you let the hair just have fun, and you cover that up. And so, see? And this is easy. Now, this is like an everyday look. I love this as an everyday look as well. You just gotta let the curls have fun. Now, I don't always like this, but no lie, this has helped kind of add more. So if your hair is a little bit shorter, which isn't my hair, it's not that short. It's a little bit long, but this is for medium to like shorter guys' hair. You feel like your back can do what it wants to do. And it's for my girls out there too. I'm not forgetting anybody. I'm all inclusive always. Just pull your hair like this as much as possible. And this is just your natural curls. You're just doing this for your curls to have fun, going somewhere at 2 hours. If you want to do this real quickly, just in the morning, if you have like an hour to spend, quickly with the refresher. And you don't have to add any more product, just add this refresher. And you just be on the go. And I would recommend just using this because this is going to add moisture. And this is the quickest moisture that you can get. The other two, same way. It's not a downing situation. But this is just 3 looks that I'm just saying like, it's what works for me. And I know it'll work for you. Ready? Let's see. See how it gave me more like it gave the front now more of a poof, and it gives it more of a, now it gives it more body. See what I'm saying? So real quickly, I was going to do another video, which I may still do another one, but I wanted to give you 3 up to 5 looks. And that's all up to you. Now there's another look that I have not tried in a long time, which I don't think I'm gonna do. But honestly, remember one thing when it comes to your curls, have fun. Because right now you're in fall. You know, if you're in a little bit more of a colder climate, remember your curls matter and you have to coat it. You have to make sure your hair is very moisturized, but please make sure you keep your hair not too damp when you go outside. So an hour or 2 wait. If you choose to use a blow dryer to help the drying process, that's up to you. I'm no heat, so you're not gonna see a blow dryer right now for me. And as you see, this is my curls just now. As it goes on, my hair will expand. And this is just like first day hair. So me using this band will make my hair more, bigger, and that's great. I love bigger hair. It's sometimes the best thing in the world. I love my curls being hung, having fun, and all that kind of stuff. So, all in all, I want you to understand that with products like this, you can use this for anything. Whereas a protective style, for a twist out or a braid out, which I'm gonna give you soon, very soon. You can use it for any type of style you choose to. And that's kind of the goal, that you get to use it for you. And don't forget that men and women out there, we all have these, we all try our different products. Using this line has helped me understand that there are greater products out there just like this. And I'm happy to say that this is like really, I'm like really loving this. And if you like this look, if you want to try these products, go to TGIN, it is TGIN natural.com, or you can go to the search engine for your computer like Google. Any type of search engine you got, type in TGIN, and see if it's in your local store. I know that TGIN actually is sold at Target, and it also can be sold probably in your local beauty store. Yeah, those are just places I can just know off top, but there's many more. And all in all, try to stay woke, try to get woke, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.